Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use our budget planner template. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Let's get started. First, click on the link in the PDF file. On the page that opens, click Use Template in the top right corner to make your own copy. After you click Use Template, go to the top left and click File, and then click Settings. Then, under Time Zone, choose the correct time zone for your city or country and save your settings. This step is important to make sure all time-based formulas work properly. Now your file is ready to use. On the first tab, you'll find the instructions page for the budget planner. You can always come back to this tab for a quick guide or extra details. The second tab is a sample budget plan, so you can see how everything works. The third tab is your budget planner template, the one you'll actually use. It's important to right-click this tab and select Duplicate before entering your data. Doing everything on the duplicated page will keep the original formulas safe. All right, let's set up our October 2025 budget planner together. Go to the top left and select the month. I'll choose October. Then, enter the year, 2025 for me, and your currency. If you have any leftover balance from the previous month, add it under Rollover. Now, under Income, write down your income sources and their expected amounts. In the Expenses section, list your spending categories and expected amounts. For bills, add your bills, their due dates and expected totals. As you can see, the Upcoming Due Dates section at the bottom left updates automatically whenever you add a due date. In the Savings section, you can list your saving goals. Lastly, in the Debts section, enter your expected debts and their due dates. Once again, the Upcoming Due Dates area automatically shows all your due dates in chronological order, up to 15 upcoming items. And since today is October 3rd, 2025, it marked my overdue internet bill in red. At the bottom, you'll find two more sections, Task Tracker and Transactions. In the Task Tracker, double-click on the Date cell to choose a date. Then write your task, event, or to-do. In the Transactions section, double-click the date to add your transaction. You can choose the category, income, bills, expenses, savings, debts, and it will be color-coded automatically for easier tracking. Of course, I entered everything all at once for this demo, but you can add your transactions day by day. It's much easier to follow that way. When you complete a task, bill, or debt with a due date, don't forget to tick the checkbox next to it. Once you do, that record will automatically disappear from the upcoming due dates list. Now let's talk about the graphs. The first graph shows your income and all your expenses, both expected and actual. The second graph shows the income distribution in a pie chart. The third graph shows your actual allocation summary. The small table above is a summary of your actual income and expense budget allocation. And when you're ready to plan a new month, simply duplicate the Budget Planner Template tab again and start fresh. Finally, this listing also includes a free goal tracker as a bonus. You can check out the Instructions Goal Tracker tab to see how it works. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.